So this type of truck we have available here is a 2009 GMC T7500, which we've made into a Forestry Grapple truck. Follow me into the cab, I'll show you the cool features. So this truck is equipped with a rugby hoist underneath the Forestry body, which is raised and lowered by these controls right here. First, you simply flip the switch to the on position until the red light is illuminated. Next, to lower the body, you simply push the button and pull backward. And to raise the body, you push the button and push forward. If you meet me on the side of the truck, we can check out the Forestry body. So this Forestry body comes with 10 gauge heavy duty steel that is 58 inches tall. And if you take a look over here, there's a built-in ladder for your convenience. As you can see here, there are angled gussets, which gives the truck extra strength and a longer life. If you meet me in the back of the truck, we can check out some more cool features. Now that we're in the back of the truck, you'll see the 36-inch high, heavy-duty barn-style doors. To open up the doors, you simply flip the cam latch and pull the pins. Let me show you how it works. These barn-style doors actually lock in on the side of the Forestry body, so you can use the truck for dumping purposes. To lock the door into the side of the Forestry body, you simply lift the pin and lock it into place. Also in the back of the truck, there are these 3 recessed lights. Now they are installed this way so that when you're dumping, they're protected. So this truck was custom ordered without the lid, but typically there would be a 12-inch lid with mesh vents that can easily be placed on and taken off using the Z-Fold Grapple, which we're going to check out next. Let's put the Epsilon Z-Fold Grapple to action. Let's go check it out. So this truck comes with a detailed manual for the grapple so you can operate it with ease. As you can see, the Z-Fold Grapple has tremendous power and can transport these logs with no effort at all. The controls are incredibly smooth and easy to operate.